Did you know that night drivers in the UK earn 15 to 20% more than day drivers, but most quit within 2 years? Here's what driving courses never tell you about the night shift. Managing drunk passengers is an art. You need to stay calm, keep windows cracked for air, and always have sick bags ready. One bad rating from a messy passenger can hurt your earnings for weeks. After 11 at night, restaurants start closing early without updating their apps. You'll waste petrol driving to shut venues while your acceptance rate drops. Weekend parking wardens become ruthless, targeting rideshare drivers with expensive fines. The hidden costs eat your extra earnings. Stop-and-go traffic burns 30% more fuel. Your insurance claims risk doubles at night. Extended idling wears your engine faster than motorway driving. Experienced night drivers spend their extra money on dash cameras, phone mounts, and back support cushions. The physical strain from 12-hour shifts, dealing with difficult passengers, and staying alert in traffic takes years off your driving career. The night shift pays more because it costs more than anyone wants to admit.